Linking your bank account to Adobe Stock is essential for receiving payments for your contributions. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Log into your Adobe Stock account. Visit the Adobe Stock website and log in using your Adobe ID and password. Ensure you have access to your account to proceed with the linking process. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or account settings in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your payment information. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other necessary details. Double check for accuracy to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your bank details, save the changes. You may need to verify your account through a confirmation email or a small test deposit. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the linking process. Now that you have linked your bank account to Adobe Stock, you can start receiving payments for your contributions. Make sure to keep your payment information updated for smooth transactions.